Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make and apply a splint in Project Zomboid. To make a splint, you just need two basic materials in your main inventory. A cloth item such as ripped sheet or dirty rag, and a straight wooden item like a sturdy stick, tree branch, or plank. These items are common loot from houses, gardens, and wooded areas. Once you have your cloth and wood item, open your health panel by pressing H. Look for the red text that shows the fracture and the injured limb. Right-click directly on that red fracture text, not elsewhere on the panel. And if the proper materials are in your inventory, you'll see the splint option. Click it to apply the splint. After applying the splint, your broken bone will heal much faster and stop draining health as long as the splint is equipped. Splints don't fix every type of injury. You can't use them for fractures in the head or torso, but they're essential for arms and legs when you fall from a height or take heavy damage. If you don't see the splint option, make sure the cloth and wood items are in your main inventory and not in a backpack, and that the injury is actually a fracture. Bandages alone won't stop health loss from broken bones. And that's how you make and apply a splint in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.